Morning everyone. I hope you all are good. So today in your art and craft class we are going to do a activity that is in your book page number 30. For that you all have to follow my instructions.
In your perspective book, you have to do a activity that is Tulip Garden, and this activity is fog impression on page 30. So for this, you need some material. We need some poster color red, yellow and blue. We need brush, a bowl, and by these materials we have to do a fog impression activity, and we need fog. So on this page, we have to do, we just have to dip the fog in different colors and make an impression on the paper on page 30. Yes, we have to take the different color red, blue and yellow and give the impression on this page, and it look very nice, and your tulips are ready to bloom. It's look very nice. You all have to, and we are having the help box there also.
I hope you all understand how to do this activity.